Shake it down to open and sideways to close. Meet Uri. Uri is an industrial designer and an inventor. He always felt connected to mantras like keep it simple and less is more. Ever since his growing awareness to the green trend, he claims that fewer parts equal less waste and less energy to manufacture. In the spirit of these mantras, the Umigi pen is based on a patent application for a new retractable mechanism for pens. It's a result of 2 years of research and development in order to create a lightweight, convenient, greener pen for everyone. The Umigi pen is a new type of pen with a unique, intuitive, and innovative mechanism. No more clicking and no need to change the holding grip. Just pure convenient fun. Shake it down to open and sideways to close. You can play with it, write with it, and feel the movement itself. Another significant advantage of the pen is that it's ideal for the differently abled or anyone who has trouble gripping, opening, and using a pen. Uri needs your pledge in order to create the molds by which he can manufacture the pen at a grander scale. So, if you'd like to be unique, if you want to put the fun back in writing and help deliver true innovation for the market, back the project. Follow the Facebook page at Umigi Pen and on the website at www.umigipen.com. Thank you, and see you all soon. A definitely yes. Signing a $1 million contract. A definitely no. The contract states you have to pay the $1 million.
A definitely yes. Giving a cute guy your phone number. A definitely no. The guy's wife is standing behind him.